YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be talking about Key Stage 3, which is classified as people from Year 7 to Year 9 in the United Kingdom's education system. The subject is history, which is one of my favourite subjects at the moment. So this project is a fairly popular task where you have to design and make your own empire plate. This is for lessons for learning about the British Empire. It's a memorial ornament plate to commemorate the mighty power of the British Empire. If you Google it, it will come up. Basically, I have to place or draw pictures of images that would represent achievements or effects of the power of the British Empire on a piece of paper, and it has to be like the actual empire plate. So, the first step would be learning about the British Empire, obviously, and brainstorm the facts I want to put on the plate. Also, personally, I do not know what the empire plate is, so I need to learn about it and Google some other people's work. It's important to get some ideas. But don't copy them, put some originality into it. The second step. You need to do research about the facts you want to put on the plate. Do this by Googling, going to the library and taking out some books, and going over your lesson notes. The third step is, I'm not good at drawing, and I do not have time to draw, so I decided to collect some images off the internet alongside with information. Caution! Do not forget to copy and paste all the sources, which will be the address of the site from which you took the information from. When you research, this is very important. The fourth step, when you have enough info, then start designing the plate. Make sure you stick to the size your teacher asked you for. Not too small, not too big. Step 5. The most important point would be, if you have time, to make it look nice, like wow factor. But if you don't have time, or the interest, then do the task only. I think it's fair. I was playing around with a simple A4 sheet of paper, but it didn't look good. So, I walked around my tiny house and I found this colouring book stuck underneath my bookshelf. Poor thing. Make sure you look around your house too and see if you can find anything useful. I found a really nice circular shape and it was made for colouring. So I coloured them with the Union Jack colours. The sixth step. Then I placed all the images I picked up off the internet onto my plate, but I don't stick it yet. You need to design it well first, then stick them on. Make sure you play around with them and see what looks nice. So then start to write about the images. My teacher said to design the plate with one side with the positive effects and the other side with the negative effects. Finally, my teacher also gave me some challenging tasks, so I did them in the back, as well as sticking in all my sources. This is important. I think it's better to do extra tasks if you can, because it shows you care about the subject. I do have subjects which I don't enjoy that much, and I don't often do extra work for those subjects, but so for my next video, I will be talking about what to write on the plate. Please comment down below some of the school projects that you want help with. Please subscribe if you want to keep this channel going, and as cringy as it is, it's a big help to us. And I'll see you next time. Bye! I do have subjects that I don't enjoy that much. Spanish. No one likes Spanish.
Hola!